Next naman po is yung powered orthosis. So, ito na yung with the use of electronics, computer-controlled components. So, mas high-tech na yung mga orthosis na to kasi with the use of technology na siya and electronics para makontrol nung patient and para mas ma-improve yung gait niya. So, yung una na sinabi is yung para step. So, yung different kinds or companies na meron nito is yung Sigmedics, yung Wheeling, and then yung IL. So, dito, it combines with a pair of AFOs with skin electrodes over the quadriceps and gluteus maximus. So, yung sa unang picture, merong nakakabit na electrode sa kanya para mas matulungan yung patient sa ambulation with the use of walker. Yan, sa picture. And then, it enables the wearers or patient to walk short distances. Yan. It was also said na it somewhat has a higher metabolic cost and greater cardiovascular strain than with the non-electronic components. Ayan. So, highlight dito is meron siyang nakadikit na electrodes dun sa quads and gluteus maximus. Next naman is yung C-Brace. So, meron yung Ottobock North America, Austin, and TX. So, ito naman for patients, suitable to for unilateral and bilateral wear. And it also provides the wearer both stance control and variable gait speed abilities. So, yung benefits nito can also be offset by the weight and bulk of the device for some wearers. So, yung sa lower picture, medyo bulky lang siya or medyo malaki lang siya kapag sinuot ng patient. But this can help for stability or the stance control ng patient and mas makakontrol na yung walking and then yung gait speed abilities ng patient. Yan. Meron ding naka-attach dito na video na nakita ko sa C-Brace company itself na kung paano ginagamit ng patient.